Ghana is unlocking 20 new oil wells to transform the nation's energy sector. The country is embarking on this monumental oil and gas expansive endeavor, which is going to cost $2 billion in investment. This is made possible as the government of Ghana has just signed a historic agreement with Tullow Oil, Cosmos Energy, Petro SA, and the Ghana National Petroleum Corporation to extend the Jubilee and 10 fields licenses until 2040. Which would be unlocking the 20 new wells. I'll be delving into the inner workings of this project and how the 20 new wells will help boost the energy sector. But before we delve deeper, please hit the like button to inform others on this grand project. Also, be sure to subscribe to this channel as we bring you similar content always. Let's get straight into it. On June 4th, 2025, Ghana's Minister for Energy and Green Transition, John Abdullahi Jinapor, announced the transformative Memorandum of Understanding with Tullow Oil, Cosmo Energy, Petro SA, and the GNPC and its subsidiary Explorco. This agreement extends the West Cape 3 Point and Deepwater Tunnel licenses from 2025 to 2040. The partnership will drill 20 additional wells in the Jubilee fields, injecting $2 billion into Ghana's economy over the license period. It aims to double gas supply to 130 million standard cubic feet per day and increase crude output by 20%, adding 100,000 barrels daily. Revised gas pricing will reduce energy costs by millions of dollars annually. This aligns with President John Dramani Mahama's vision to maximize hydrocarbon value while transitioning to renewables, ensuring long-term energy stability with strategic foresight. This Memorandum of Understanding is designed to address Ghana's energy needs and drive fiscal revenues. The Jubilee fields, producing 100,000 barrels per day in 2024, faces declining reserves. The 20 new wells will boost gross 2P reserves by 30%, adding $500 million yearly to exports. Gas supply, critical for 40% of Ghana's power, will rise from 70 to 130, saving millions in LPG import. Lower gas prices will ease the government's $1 billion energy debt, stabilizing the cedi further. Investments in GNPC and the Petroleum Commission will enhance technology use, improve efficiency by 15%. The plan supports Ghana's energy transition, with $20 million allocated for decarbonization studies. This is a blueprint for energy security, economic resilience, and sustainable progress. The economic benefits of the 20 new wells are monumental. The $2 billion investment will create tens of thousands of direct jobs in drilling and engineering, also in indirect roles in logistics and services, addressing a holistic approach in roles provided. Oil exports, contributing $2 billion in 2024, will rise by $1 billion. Local firms in Takrady supplying equipment will earn millions, prioritizing Ghanaian businesses. The gas savings will also reduce power tariffs, saving households millions yearly. The cedi's sudden stability ensures cost predictability, amplifying the impact of the project. The initiative will elevate Ghana's GDP, positioning it as a regional energy hub. This is a powerful engine for wealth creation, redefining Ghana's economic landscape through oil and gas. This project is a cornerstone for a broader vision, hoping to unite West Africa's energy markets. The Jubilee and 10 fields, 60 kilometers offshore, will supply gas to 500,000 households in Greater Accra and the Western region, boosting electrification by 5%. Enhanced gas export to Côte d'Ivoire and Togo will generate millions annually, fostering regional trade. The GNPC's capacity building will train thousands of engineers, further creating a regional talent hub. This Memorandum of Understanding demonstrates the government's commitment to expanding the energy sector. Partnerships with coastal communities ensures the locals continue to benefit from the oil and gas projects. This is Ghana, forging a robust energy network, enhancing regional stability and prosperity. The initiative prioritizes Ghana's communities, especially in the Western region. The trained youth will continue to access oil and gas jobs, which wasn't the case back then, boosting incomes in the country. Training programs will also skill women in logistics, enhancing gender equality. Schools in Ahanta West, 7,000 of students, benefits millions in GNPC scholarships, improving education by a large margin. Gas-powered electrification will reach thousands of households, reducing energy costs and boosting the country. Local suppliers in Sekondi will earn millions, as the country and the communities around the oil fields will be thriving, future secured, as Ghana's overall GDP will be gaining significantly from this endeavor. Ghana is powering its people through energy, and the 20 new wells in the Jubilee and 10 fields are going to be very profound. The execution plan is solid. The Jubilee Fields FPSO Kwame Nkrumah, with 98% uptime, supports 120,000 barrels daily, ready for expansion. The $2 billion budget, funded by Tolu with almost 50%, Cosmos with 18%, and partners, will include millions for drilling by 2027. The PNDC's 10% stake ensures $200 million in dividends. Digital seismic tools, costing millions, will optimize drilling, which will further increase yields. The local contractors trained by Cosmos will participate in this operation, earning millions as well. The Memorandum of Understanding addresses 2023's $40 million gas payment delays with new sales agreements. Parliamentary approval ensures transparency. This is a meticulously planned effort to deliver sustainable energy growth with global standards. Mohammed's leadership is proving to be very profound. The agreement builds on good relations with the oil magnates, securing fiscal stability. Talu's expertise, operating since 2007, ensures efficiency, while Cosmos construction boosts reserves. Further engagement with the Western regional chiefs ensures the communities are all in and benefiting from this project. The government's energy focus is very impressive, but it demands environmental accountability, and I'm inspired by this fusion of leadership and global collaboration, forging an energy legacy in Ghana. The Memorandum of Understanding will transform lives in the Western region. Families benefit from the oil and gas exploration. In Accra, gas supply stabilizes industries, creating thousands of jobs. Universities in Takrad, serving students, collaborate on energy research, producing 20 innovations yearly. Gas-powered healthcare facilities will serve thousands of patients, reducing the overall cost. Ghanaians are also calling for local hiring to curb unemployment. I envision the communities being empowered, industries thriving. This is Ghana building a legacy of energy access. The agreement is a historic pivot. Jubilee, discovered in 2007, has produced $5 billion in revenue, employing a huge percentage of Ghana's oil workforce. The 2040 extension serves Ghana's almost 35 million population. This is an energy triumph. It's a testament to Ghana's resilience, redefining energy for 2025 and beyond. The focus on gas and decarbonization is a bold step towards sustainability. Ghana is emerging as West Africa's energy hub. This is the country's legacy, a new era of energy, and a visionary achievement. Ghana's $2 billion Memorandum of Understanding to drill 20 new wells in the Jubilee and 10 fields is a bold vision, boosting crude output, gas supply, and economic growth. It's a moment of national pride, shaping an energy-secure future. What are your thoughts on this energy revolution and the drilling of 20 new wells with the 2040 extension to these oil giants? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Like this video to inform others on this massive development happening right here in Ghana. Be sure to subscribe to this channel as I bring you interesting content always. Check out this next video on other amazing projects happening right here in Ghana. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this next video out.